How many times? How many times have you been stuck there seeing this beautiful girl? It's almost like you fell instantly in love with her, and in your head you're thinking, man, if I could only make her smile so she can be into me as much as I'm into her. How many times? Well, today, I'm gonna show you how to make that crush of yours, that girl that you love, how to make her smile, to grease her up. That way, when you do approach, she's already obsessed with you. She's just into you as much as you're into her. You're welcome, by the way. Let's get started. Number one, use the environment around you. The best way to make a girl smile is not by being a comedian or trying to give her a one-liner. Instead, use what's around you at that time. What are you both experiencing? Use that and maybe over-exaggerate it a bit. Let me think of like a good example. Let's say you both are in the Starbucks line, right? Everybody goes to Starbucks. The line's been long. It's been over like 10, 20 minutes. You both make eye contact and you just do one of these, like very light, and then smile and look away. She's gonna smile as well because you just basically over-dramatized what you both are experiencing. That's how you use what you both are living through and make her smile through it. The cool part with this is that you're keeping your composure. You're not making a fool out of yourself. So she's not gonna think you're a creeper or some sort of weirdo. So she's gonna give you an authentic smile versus like a weird, awkward smile. Number two, give and you shall receive. Yes, this is in the Bible. You probably missed it in Bible class, honestly, so let me re-highlight it for you. The best way to receive a smile is to give one first. Try this test. Next time you're next to this pretty girl that you found and you're in a social setting, and let's say you walk past her, I want you to smile at her and just give her a nod. Like, very simple, and keep walking. Now, you may feel awkward at first, but the more you do it, the smoother you're gonna get. Also, it depends on how you look, right? If you dress bummy or your grooming's crap or you just don't look good, she's gonna think you're a weirdo and not reciprocate the same energy. Looking good is important, which is why I stress it out so much. If you can look good, when you deliver these smiles, these girls are gonna wanna reciprocate with that guy that's a 10 out of 10. Now, here's the trick. You don't need a whole freaking entire wardrobe, bro. Level up with basic stuff like jewelry. I do this all the time. See, right now I'm wearing a basic tee. Nothing out of this world. It's nothing crazy, but I always got a watch on. I always got a minimal necklace on. This levels me up, and every girl that sees me or any guy that sees me automatically thinks that I put in more effort than I really did. And with rose gold and black, when it comes to jewelry, it's crazy affordable. This is what I like about jewelry, and I've said this over and over again. Don't go for jewelry that's too flamboyant or it's in your face. Instead, stick with minimal stuff. Yo, look at this. This is Rose Gold and Black's new minimal box chain. They literally listened to me and they ended up creating one of these because they know how crazy I am for minimal necklaces. This thing has been my go-to. I probably wear this at least 3 to 4 times a week because it just goes good with everything. It's just like, it's that perfect amount of pop and it's affordable. And actually more affordable for you because since you guys are part of the brotherhood, they're gonna take 35% off their entire store. See, with Rose Gold and Black, they don't only make necklaces, they also make bracelets and rings and watches. So they got you covered with any type of jewelry that you want. And if you guys click the link down below, you're gonna get a special 35% off, but they're not stopping there. See, last month, they did an offer where for every order that you purchased, so for every single order, you would get a free bracelet. Well, those bracelets flew by, they literally sold out, but they wanna do it again. This time, it's while supplies last. Every order that you purchase from Rose Gold and Black, you're gonna get either a free bracelet or a free necklace, which you can choose from. If you guys click the link down below, check out your favorite product and get some free gear. Bro, some of their stuff can be up to 50, 60 bucks and they're gonna send that to you for free. For free. But it is while supplies last, so if I were you, I'd click the link down below. Number 3, I want you to tease her. This is the best way to increase sexual tension and get that like sexy smile from her. See, because what do most guys do when they like a girl? They get all awkward and tight and then they start complimenting the hell out of her, thinking that that's what's gonna get her to like him back. Yo, she's heard these compliments 1,000 times now. This is why she's bored. What would make her smile? Banter with her, go back and forth with her, accuse her of like stalking you on social media or reject her without her even having to ask anything. Another good way to do this is giving her pet names or cute names like Shorty or anything that reflects her personality or something you've both experienced. That way, every time you call her that name, there'll always be a smile on her face because she'll remember you. You're the one that nicknamed her that. Number 4, let her know that she is on your mind. If you're an OG from the channel, you already know the good morning, beautiful. Good night, princess. Oh my God. Those are cringe, bro. And by the way, she's getting about 10 of those every morning from other simps. You, on the other hand, I want you to let her know that she's on your mind with a simple, random, out of the blue, made me think of you text. And then attach context to that text as to something that you both experienced that maybe you guys laughed about. When you do that, I promise you, the smile on this girl's face will be from ear to ear and talk about genuine, especially if it comes out of the blue. And finally, number 5, just be a gentleman. Bro, it is incredible that something as simple as holding or opening the door, or pulling out the chair for her at dinner, or holding the elevator door for her so she can walk in. Bro, the smile on any girl's face will be from ear to ear. It's crazy to think that being so well-mannered is so uncommon that when a girl experiences it, it's almost like she gets nervous. She gets butterflies in her stomach and she doesn't even know how to act, so she gets all giggly and smiley. And you did that, big dog. Well, I did that for you, bro. That's all you gotta do. You try those 5 things, I promise you, you're gonna get that genuine, flirty smile that you're looking for. That's it from me today, boys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Rose Gold and Black. They'll be linked down below. See you next time.